Nowadays, many people want to increase their size of penis, and if they don't know that there is no any scientifically proven way to enlarge penis. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 dangers associated with penis enlargement. So there is a lot of people that ask me if there is any proven way to enlarge penis. So first of all, what I want to tell you is that there is no any way that can help you to enlarge your penis. Most of this method and the product that I claim to help you increase your penis size, they are harmful to you. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. Before we start the video, if it's the first time you are watching our video, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our upcoming educative videos. To the returning subscribers, thank you for supporting this educative YouTube channel. So now without any further ado, let's get into details. Hello friends, welcome to International Medical TV. Like I said at the beginning of this video, today I'll be sharing with you dark truths associated with the penis enlargement. Danger of penis enlargement number 1 is tissue damage. You know, most of the method and the products that are claiming to help you increase your penis size, they involve use of weight, pump, or stretch. It can cause tissue damage, scars, and pain to your penis. Danger number 2 is infection. Some of the methods that are claiming that they can help you to increase your penis size, they can increase your risk of infections, particularly the one that involve implants or injections. Danger number 3 is nerve damage. You know, some of the methods that are claiming to help you increase your penis size, especially surgery, it can cause a nerve damage and numbness and other sensory problems to your penis. Danger number 4 is financial loss. You know, most of these products that are claiming to help you increase your penis size, they are not effective. In fact, they are scamming you. Just you are wasting your money. Scientifically, there is no any proven way that can help you to increase your penis size. You are just wasting your money. Danger number 5 of penis enlargement is emotional distress. This is one of the biggest problems that is happening due to penis enlargement because the person of enlarged penis can make you to develop a emotional distress and other mental health problem, and this can negatively impact your relationship. Danger number 6 of penis enlargement is it increases your risk of impotence. Particularly those methods that involve injection or implant, they are increasing your chance of developing impotency, which means difficulty to achieve or to maintain erection. Danger number 7 in our list, which is the last, is that there is decrease in sensitivity in penis. You know, most of the methods that are claiming to help you to increase your penis size, particularly those that involve an injection or implant, they can decrease a sensitivity to your penis. It can negatively impact your sexual health. So don't forget that there is no any scientifically proven way that can help you to increase your penis size. It is important to accept your body the way it is because there is no any scientifically proven way that can help you to increase your penis size. So whether you are having a small penis or whether you are having a bigger penis, this cannot affect your performance on bed. If you want to know more about your penis, so kindly check in the comment section. I have dropped a link on my video where I have explained everything that you need to know about a size of penis. So here we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful and educative, so make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video and comment and share it to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.